Good morning, guys! Linggo! How's your breakfast?
Frozen.
Guys, di ba nag-organize ako ng fridge? Nalagay ko sa freezer yung mga hindi dapat ilagay sa freezer kasi binase ko lang siya sa plastic bag. Sabi dun sa plastic bag, keep frozen. So, lahat ng nandun sa plastic bag, nilagay ko siya sa freezer. Eh, meron pala siya, each bag, meron nakalagay, keep refrigerated. Hindi ko yun chinek. So, ito, see? It says, keep refrigerated. And, yan, nilagay ko din yan sa freezer kasi nasa bag yan, nasabi, keep frozen. So, yung lunch ni Dan today, frozen. Salad niya. Frozen yung tomato. Hindi ko man lang chinek. Nilagay ko lang siya agad-agad, guys. Pasensya naman. And then, ito frozen din. Pero okay lang yung lunch kasi it has time to thaw. Ano na, itong bread okay lang kasi i-freeze naman talaga yan. Pero ito yung sliced roast chicken breast niya. Frozen. So, ito yung lunch niya, guys. And then, meron siyang snack ata, 2 peaches with raspberry sauce. Or is this for snack or with your salad? I think that's snack, yeah. Ito yung dressing ng salad niya, honey mustard. Guys, 12:20 na. Ang puti ng mukha ko, tingnan. Hindi naman ako nag-foundation. Medyo Medyo basa siya, guys, kasi nag-spray ako ng aking makeup fixer. All-day makeup fixer from Aritom. Ang ganda nito, promise. Hindi ko siya makita sa YesStyle, so hindi ko alam kung saan ko ito bibilhin. But, malapit na maubos. But yeah, this is like, sobrang ganda ng mist nito. Anyway, hinihintay ko lang na uminit yung aking pang-curl ng buhok. I-curl ko ulit yung buhok ko. Actually, hindi ko siya binasa. So, medyo may curl pa siya. I-ano ko lang, parang ayusin ko lang yung curl niya. Ngayon, ito yung suot ko. But I think papalitan ko to, guys. But I have the owl jumper na merong mga fuzzy-fuzzy. And I will be wearing a coat as well, maya. Nag-ano lang ako, guys. Nag-concealer lang ako. Yung gamit ko na concealer is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer Corrector. This one is in the shade Medium Tawny. T-A-W-N-Y. Yan. And the powder, kasi wala akong foundation, I used this, yung pangmalakasan ko na powder. Becca na Soft Light Blurring Powder, shade Golden Hour. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. Hindi ito gusto ni Kathleen Lights. Siguro kasi sobrang dry daw ng skin niya. Pero ako, I have like oily combination, oily normal. So, oily sa T-zone, tapos the rest, parang normal skin, hindi siya dry. And sobrang gustong-gusto ko yung powder na yun. And even when I had oily skin, sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. So, maybe hindi siya nag-work sa dry skin. On my cheeks, I have the Hourglass na Ambient. Ito pala, Ambient pala. Nakalimutan ko to kahapon. Diffused Heat yung shade, guys. Ito. Sobrang ganda niya. Wala pa ako lip product, but yeah. Ready na tong aking pang-curl. So, i-curl muna natin yung buhok natin, guys. Actually, hindi ko nagagalawin yung ilalim kasi medyo kulot pa siya ng slide. So, itong... What time is it, babe?
Yeah, it's 12:30 for now.
Okay.
Plenty of time.
Yep. Ayan, guys. Very loose na curls lang. Yung problema kasi kapag nag-curl ka na, tapos ayaw mo naman basain yung buhok mo the next day, kailangan mo siya i-curl ulit kasi mahirap na i-straight siya kasi parang hindi na siya magiging ganun ka-straight. So, yan. Kulot ako. 3 araw na akong kulot. Kasi ayoko siyang basain. Okay, sa lipstick naman, gamitin natin yung Sep Beauty ko na lipstick na wala dito. I think nasa bag ko siya, guys. So, kunin natin. Hindi ko siya gagamitan ng lip sheer this time. And tingnan natin kung ano magiging itsura niya, guys. Kasi feeling ko, hindi siya ganun ka magtitint kapag walang lip sheer. Pero yeah, tingnan natin kasi gustong-gusto ko siya i-try. But kahubadero. Badero kang bata ka. Nakahubad na naman. Okay, asa na yung bag ko? Ito yung bag na gamit ko kahapon, yung galing kay Zaful na merong tassel. In fairness sa kanya, yung tassel niya nandito pa rin, guys. So, maganda yung quality niya. May na mga nagtatanong kung anong link. Well, hindi ko na alam, guys. Ang tagal na nito sa akin. Nag-start lang ako gamitin siya recently lang, pero ang tagal na niyan sa akin. So, gagamitin natin yung ating Sep Beauty na lipstick na Hollow Nude. Wala talaga akong salamin. Gamitin natin to. Maganda tong lipstick na to kasi hindi siya makalat. Ayan, guys. So, yan yung totoong shade niya ng walang lip sheer. So, it's not as bright. compared to kung meron lip sheer. Yan. I like it. Did you eat your lunch, babe?
No, it's made the frosty bit down there.
Oh. Tingnan niyo yung lunch niya, guys. Nilagay sa may araw para ma-defrost. Ay, naka-vibe. Who's the best?
Me.
You? Kailangan natin tong tupiin. Inano na niyo, tinupi niya yung kanya. So, gino-through niya lahat, guys. Tinupi niya yung kanya kasi alam niya na kapag tinupi niya yung akin, hindi ko magugustuhan. So, ako na yung bahala sa akin. Nasa shower ako nung ginawa niya to lahat. So, tupiin lang natin to, guys, para walang kalat. Close natin yung door. Dito yung best friend ni Dan. Hindi ko naman alam na pupunta pala siya sa bahay. Nasok ko. Sabi ko, kumakain ako ng lunch ko. Sabi ko, dito ka. Hindi ka wala nagsabi. Alam ni Dan na pupunta siya, hindi lang sinabi sa akin ni Dan. Parang naisip ni Dan, alam na niya to. Kasi parang routine na namin ba. Anyway, papakita ko sa inyo guys yung lips. Kumain na ako at lahat guys. Yung kinain ko pa noodles. So like, ganun-ganun talaga ba. Natatouch niya talaga yung lip. And nagtitint talaga siya guys. Tingnan niyo, ang ganda pa ng tint. Very natural looking. The gang is here.
I didn't bring my blanket.
I didn't bring a beanie. Ulu, a dead bird. I didn't bring a beanie or gloves. This is mommy's bag. Look at this. Carrots, celery, healthy food. Dan's bag. Open your bag, babe. Let's show them what's in your bag. All the bad stuff. Oh my. No, she said no to that.
Mum, don't. You won't be coming again, Mum.
Chocolate lollies.
Sit good on Raz?
Yep. You're right, Ev?
Yep, buckled in.
Looks like they're okay.
See ya, kiddies.
Bye.
See ya, you guys. See ya, Maddie. Bye.
Thank you for dropping me off. I really appreciate it.
That's alright.
That's alright.
No, they've got to start playing a lot better. They want to do anything in September.
There was just no drive the whole game.
They played that quarter and a bit. Like the first half was just dead. They played the first half how they played this like the last quarter and a half.
Coming off on the loss, do you think you'd have more drive? Yeah. More.
Yeah.
That blanket was really comfy.
The one that you bought today?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I've seen some really nice wool, so I'm going to pick that up for Sharon and she's going to crochet us some blankets as well.
Yeah.
And just big enough to put on our laps. All the other ones, the roll-up ones that we've both got, I mean, they're bulky.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
And fair enough, it's a windy night and it's going to rain, that's perfect. But not on a night like tonight, you didn't need that.
Yeah, no, that roll-up thing is good for picnics, but not for like footy.
We get no free coffee tomorrow now, babe, either.
Nah, that's alright, babe.
I want my coffee.
We lost.
You need a bit more room, Ev, are you okay?
Plenty of room.
Okay.
No, there's plenty of room.
There's plenty for me.
Raz has got heaps, yeah.
I don't have very long legs.
It was Christian that was sitting here earlier. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's all the way to the back. You're cooking dinner tonight, Ev?
No, I had a euro.
Oh, you did?
But I need you to take them home.
What's this?
Chocolate.
For you.
No, we better not. We're trying to be good, Ev. We're going to Bangkok in a month's time. So even the food I got in my bag, I'm going to somehow...
They're just going to go in my fridge because I don't need them. I don't eat Baileys.
Oh, don't you?
Maybe bring him next West Coast game if there's...
Well, the next home game's a showdown, isn't it?
No, that's West Coast. We only got two more home games left, West Coast and Essendon.
I'm cooking spring rolls tonight.
You gonna cook tonight still?
Yeah.
I'm just going to iron my clothes for them.
I've done that already.
Yeah, well I was going to do that this morning and I did some washing and got nearly everything else done. The only thing I didn't get done was the ironing, but I don't have a lot to iron.
I like coming home and everything's all ready. Rose will keep on working. She works non-stop.
Uwi na kami guys, sinatid lang namin si Ev. Natalo kami. We lost.
Oh well.
But yeah, pagdating na ko sa bahay mag-spring roll ako guys. Nakakapagod.
What's wrong?
The kids.
They're tiring?
Tiring, yeah.
A lot of kids.
Yeah. 5,
5,
6, 7. 7 kids. Including Christians. Dong, 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 dong,
Dong, dong, dong, paki chong. Ki chong.
I was singing that to Ava. And she was like, maybe she didn't realize she was playing Best Fiends. And she was like, I was like, oh, that's my song. I think one night guys Dan was singing the Teapot Dive.
Yep.
Yeah, and I do not know how to sing that song. Yung Takore. How do you sing it?
I'm a little teapot, short and sprout. Here is my handle. Here is my whatever. Nursery rhymes.
Yeah. Yung wala akong alam na nursery rhyme. Yung alam ko lang is yung sa Philippines. The Filipino nursery rhyme. I don't even know.
Dong, dong, Paki chong. Ki chong.
No, alimango
Alimango.
sa dagat,
Sa dagat.
malaki
Malaki.
at mataba.
At malaba.
Mataba.
Malaba.
I don't even know if that's the right. It is. Again.
Dong, dong, dong. Paki chong. Ki chong. Wa.
Alimango
Alimango.
sa dagat,
Sa dagat.
malaki
Malaki.
at mataba.
At malaba. Dong, dong, dong. Paki chong. Ki chong.
Alimango.
Alimango.
Is that hard to pronounce? Alimango?
What is it?
Alimango.
Alimano.
It's like a crab. Alimango.
Okay.
See how hard to pronounce a crab?
A crab.
Alimango.
Alimano.
Alimango.
Alimano.
Sa dagat.
Saga.
Tong tong
Dong.
tong.
Paki dong. King chong.
I like how you say tong 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 pagi tong ki tong ki
Ki
tong.
dong.
Alimango.
Your McDonald's?
No. Not McDonald's, babe. You can't have McDonald's.
I was joking.
You were very bad today.
Oh, it wasn't too bad.
Yes, you were.
No, it wasn't too bad. I was actually pretty not bad, actually. I could have been worse.
You're right. They still have some food left in your bag? Okay, we need to hide that from you.
We do need to hide that from you.
Oh, babe. Tong 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 pakitong kitong alimango sa dagat. I'm gonna teach you nursery rhymes. Filipino nursery rhymes.
Oh.
So you sing it to our kids, future kids. Yeah?
Okay.
You need to learn the tong 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 pakitong kitong because you're only until
Dong 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 paki chong.
you're only until kitong.
That's all I need to know.
You have to say alimango sa dagat,
Alimano,
malaki at mataba.
Makaba.
Again, babe.
We got plenty of time. We got years before we have to worry about this.
The head, shoulder, knees, toes, something like that. How do you sing that again?
I don't know, but head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
No. Oh gosh. Yung paa, tuhod. Paa, tuhod, balikat ulo. Paa, tuhod, balikat ulo. That's all I know. Oh my gosh, I suck.
Well, you have to learn them before you can teach them.
Paa,
Paa.
paa,
Paa.
tuhod,
Tuho.
tuhod,
Tuho.
hood.
Oh.
You're not really doing it properly. Paa, tuhod, balikat ulo. Paa, tuhod, balikat. That's all I know. I think that there's more than that, but that's all I know. Bahay na kami, guys. Diretso tayo sa spring roll. Gagawin ko lang to. So, I have this. And then, meron akong onion. Inano ko na to kanina, guys. Chinap ko na to kanina before kami umalis nung naghihintay kami ng time para umalis. And then, kakaano ko lang nito, kaka-ninja ko lang nito, carrots. Yan. So, maybe dadagdagan ko yung ito. Pero imimix ko lang to guys. And then gagamitin ko yung Mamacita's Lumpiang Shanghai Mix. Yan. So, walang measure-measure. Ano lang talaga to lahat. Tansya-tansya. Ganito na yung itsura niya, guys. Actually, guys, yung nandito, timing na timing kasi 500 grams ng pork daw. And that's what I have. 500 grams ng pork. And then, hindi ko masyadong inubos yung carrots. Just enough carrots. I think I will add more. And then, yung pinakita ko sa inyo na, no, this is just this. Just use this. Yeah, I think so. And then now, we're just heating up oil, guys, kasi titikman namin to. Bali, ipa-fry namin siya. And then, titikman namin before ko siya ilagay sa lumpia wrapper. Okay, that's enough, babe. That's enough. Thank you. Ito siya, guys. Maliit. Baby, Amers.
Good?
Yep. It's a bit burnt, but it's good. The flavor's there. Yeah? Okay, ready na to, guys. Nihintay ko na lang yan na matho. So, guys, sinan lang yung mag-separate ng mga lumpia wrapper, tapos ako yung magra-wrap. Maliliit to na spring roll kasi maliit lang yung namin wrapper. Ayan guys, ready na yan lahat. Meron pang isa dito. Ito yung pinakamataba kasi siya yung last. Now, gagamitin natin yung air fryer for the very first time, people. So, nakaset na siya 180 degrees Celsius. Meron akong cheat dito guys. Ito yung manual ng air fryer. So, meron siya dito mga ingredients like potato wedges, frozen snacks, chicken nuggets, and nandito yung small spring rolls. Sabi, 14 to 16 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius, and then i-shake, turn, or stir halfway. So, ilagay lang natin siya muna. Lagay ko lang siya diretso dyan. Ito yung pinakamataba. Pinakamataba. Wala na tong preheat yung yung air fryer. Diretso na siya, guys. So, magluluto ako. Hindi ko alam kung ilan yung lulutuin ko. Kasi yung iba, i-freeze ko to kasi hindi ko naman to mauubos lahat ngayon. I think I have to do this. And then, yeah, okay. So, let's do 10 minutes muna. Yan, nag-air fry na yan dyan. Wala, maingay siya. Malapit na matapos yung 10 minutes, guys. I know, sabi dun sa manual, 14 to 16 minutes. Kaya lang, sobrang liliit kasi ng mga ko. So, i-check ko siya 10 minutes. Tapos kapag hindi pa siya luto, i-ano natin. Yeah, hindi pa siya, guys. Actually, kailangan mo itong what do you call that? I-flip. So, flip lang natin. Tapos, we will do 6 minutes more maybe. Tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng kabila. I know. Actually, maybe not. Maybe you don't have to flip this. Nah. I think you don't have to flip it. It did say on the manual, kapag spring roll, if you flip daw siya. So, okay, follow na lang natin yung instruction. Pero, uy, ang crispy na niya, guys. Hindi pa siya luto, pero crispy na siya. Ano ba yan? Okay, wait. Ayusin ko nga muna to. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys, after 16 minutes total. So, medyo puti pa yung yung spring roll. So, ilalagay ko lang siya, guys, siguro mga 3 minutes more. Gusto ko lang na mag-brown yung wrapper. Pero feeling ko luto na. Wait. Actually, kuha tayo ng maliit. And then, i-cut natin, guys. And tingnan natin. Kasi feeling ko lutong-luto na tong pork niya. So, wait, tingnan natin. Wow, that's crispy. Kaya lang, ang puti ng Ang puti ng... Yeah, luto na yan, diba guys? Actually guys, lutong-luto na siya. So, pwede na yung 16 minutes. Try ko lang siya dagdagan ng 2 minutes. And tingnan natin kung magba-brown yung ano. Pero yung ano niya, yung wrapper niya guys, ang crispy. Grabe, mas crispy pa siguro sa kapag nilagyan mo ng oil. Ganito yung itsura niya guys, hindi siya ganun ka-appealing tingnan. Compared dun sa ano, sa inaano mo, dini-deep fry mo talaga siya. Sabi ni Dad, it doesn't look quite right. Pero, taste it, babe.
Can you put some sauce on it? Were we eating it?
Yeah, I'm eating it with rice. This is my dinner.
Is that yours? All yours?
No, not all mine. Taste one. It's hot as well, so careful. It doesn't look quite right, but it's really crispy and it's cooked. I tasted it. It's hot. What do you think?
You're okay.
Ganyan na pala yung itsura ng air fryer, guys. Meron siyang mga fat na nagsisettle dun sa baba. Hindi ganun kadami kasi spring roll lang naman yung niluto natin. Pero ang maganda dun, dishwasher friendly siya or dishwasher safe. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay siya sa dishwasher na, yeah, kapag tinatamad ka na kamayin yung paghuhugas dun, diba? Lalo na kapag super fatty na siya. So, lagay lang sa dishwasher after mo ma-rinse yung lahat ng fat. Tapos, yeah, okay na siya. Tubig. I think nagdala na si Dan ng tubig. Kwarto na tayo, guys. Tulog na tayo. Iko-close ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Sobrang daming ganap today. Sobrang busy yan bukas. Maaga ako. 7:30 yung pasok ko. So, I need to sleep early para... Kasi kailangan ko maggumising ng maaga. Anyway, did you turn off the heater?
Yeah.
That is it for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo yung vlog today. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night, guys. Mwah. Good night, babe.
Good night.
Good night, people.